Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to install LXQT Desktop environment. So I have already opened up the YAS software manager and I have started the patterns tab. In the patterns tab you have to go down to the LXQT Desktop environment and then you have to select the LXQT Desktop environment. So the packages with the black tick are the packages that are already there on the system. So these are mostly the base system or the base patterns packages of OpenSUSE, and you can add certain more packages if you require. So what I will do is I will first select the LXQT Desktop environment for installation. So now you can see the packages that are already there on the system are shown by the black tick, and the additional packages that will be installed during the installation of LXQT Desktop are shown in with the green ticks. So now I will select the HP Leap also. I will select the opconf qt. So this is the OpenBox configuration tool. So if you want, you can configure the OpenBox configuration tool with this, and the OpenBox configuration tool also can be installed. It is additional. So there is some config resolution. There is a config, so we have to resolve the conflict. So opconf qt will conflict with the opconf. So what we will do is I will now cancel this, and you have to remove this. Do not install. That's it. So there are two versions of the OpenBox configuration tool. One is in Qt, and the other one it might possibly in the GTK. So you have to use the Qt version because LXQT Desktop is based on Qt technologies. So you have to use the OpenBox configuration tool with the Qt code, not the GTK code. So that's it. If you want, you can use the QLeaper, that is the clipboard history applet, and you can use the Visual Process Manager also for installation. So you have to select these two, the Clipper and the QPS. Yes, that is the Visual Process Manager. That's it. There are no other extra packages that we need, and we have to accept the changes. So it will show you a summary of the packages that will be installed. So you have to select the continue button, and the installation has started. So total of 180.85 MB will be downloaded. So the installation has successfully finished. We have installed 267 packages to realize the LXQT Desktop OpenSUSE Leap 15.4. The total elapsed time is 6.52 minutes. Total install size is 552.90 MB, and the total download size was 180.85 MB. So now I will stop the video here. See you in the next video where we will do the detailed review of the LXQT Desktop in OpenSUSE Leap 15.4. See you. Bye bye.